Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for June 15, 2020. If you look at the SPY chart, you see in the morning, the market, they push it down and after that, then they just run back up right into the upper support line channel here. And then they rebound from there and then the whole day is very bullish. If you look at the smaller time frame on the immediate future 60-minute chart, you see that overnight they slam it down right into the support area, and after that they break out and continue to go higher for the whole day. So not much for me to say, but if you look at the on the short term day trade, you can see that after the market it break out the upper downtrend line here, and then they continue to go up. If you are in the short-term day trading, you can see that after the market breaking out, and then they continue to push it back up, and then you people get buying the dip until the end of the day, and then they still continue to go higher. So after I finish my light trading room, I get out and just take a long trade to the upside and let it ride. And so uh, the total net profit for today is $4,530. So if you learn how to trade, you can see that when the market in the uptrend, you just stay in the uptrend and will continue to buy it in the upside, and then you just make some quick income for the day. And today I focus on a lot of swing trading, which is a lot more profit that they try to aim in for the next move to see what the market heading to. So the question is right now, where is the market is going to heading to? So that's very important. So we know that the market is trying to rebound from the bottom here. The question here is we still far away from the high here. So right now, in order to go higher, the market have to test this level right here between uh, 3100 and 31,717 on the EF in order to confirm that the trend will be changing to the upside. If it's not, then we will have to see when it hit to this level what they are going to do next. Are they going to pull back a little bit and then continue to go higher, or they will get stuck here and then make another low? So we are day trader, and we have to look at the chart more careful. Whatever the chart telling us, if they still in uptrend, we stay in the uptrend. But if they reverse, and then we have to go the other way. So that if you look at a lot of stock that we talking yesterday, you see it's like bull in. Okay, they pull it back, and then right now they try to snap back in. Let's see how far they can go. American Airlines. Okay, so that's another one. They slamming down, and then look like they try to bow back up. Okay, we will see more tomorrow if they be able to get back and then and push it back in the uptrend. All right, so that's all I have for you today. Today is extremely bull day, so let's see what the market is going to do tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.